Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. I'm making a charcoal chimney out here. Give you an idea of how I'm putting it together. Just to be the flat piece, I'm going to roll it over in a hexagon. Just getting me some groove marks here where it's going to bend. I'm making each little side 4 inches. You've probably seen me doing this with grooving these lines in here before, just to help it bend. We'll get all these bends, put all these lines put in here, and then before we bend it, we'll drill some holes and stuff like that. Here I'm just marking it out for I want to put these holes. I do the holes on 3 sides and drill them in with a 7/8 bit. I'm just using a hole saw bit on this. It's easier to keep moving it on these 2x4s than it is to keep moving that mag drill around. But 3 holes on 3 panels, that's all I'm putting in there. Then I'll cut the bottom out where the airflow can come in. And this is along the bottom side, just half circles down there to let plenty of air come in. Then we start folding it up. And that's just, I'm putting a piece of plate there. That's a piece of 1/4 inch, clamping it down and moving it. Depending on how deep that groove is how easy it's going to bend. But you don't want to go too deep into it. You want it to still have some meat on the side. The sides I'm bending up like 32, 33 degrees. I'm checking it on the side of that table. They get you real close to it. And once you get to the last one, get you a tack to hold it. The whole thing is 19 inches high. So the flat plate that you would have started with was 20 by 19 or 24 by 19. I got a piece of 2-inch square tubing sitting under there, trying to hold that expansion up. There it is. Just to reach in and get a couple tacks so I can hit it from the bottom. This is the heat guard and the handle. I did some score marks on it so I can bend it. The long ends there are bending all the way over. Those are tacked to it. That's just to raise it up off the chimney. And then the long sides, they'll just bend over about halfway. And then that bolt was a 3/8 by 8 inch bolt with the head cut off and then bent over so I could put a spring handle on it. Then just getting it all put on and it'll be ready to paint. Another way, you could just drill a hole in that plate and run that bolt through there and tack that bolt to the chimney. Probably be a little easier way to do it. I just kind of like it like that. This plate also is 16 gauge. That seam where it all comes together, you really don't have to weld that solid. Just gives you some good tacks up and down it. That'll pretty much do it. Hit it with the wire wheel and get it painted up. There it is. You can see those bolts work real good for spring handles. That'll pretty much do it on this one, y'all. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.